Now, this is going to be Unit 7, Lesson 2. And we're going to be reviewing some of the things we looked at in the previous lesson, and we're also going to extend it a little bit further. So, the ones I don't normally do, but as it's an important application of this, I'm going to take a look at this. So, the important application is when we're multiplying things with the same base, and by base I refer to these things here, what we do is we're going to add the exponents together. So, we say what the base is, and then we add the exponents together. Now, if there is no exponent, then we have to know that that means that it's to the power of 1. So, as these questions are both x, I'm going to put an x, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, if we get slightly more complicated expressions, then we're going to do the numbers first. So, 2 times 3 is 6, and then we're going to look at our variables. So, they're both x. As we're multiplying, we're going to add the exponents together. So, 5 plus 4 is 9. This one, I can see I'm missing an exponent, so I'm going to put 1 there to remind me. And there's actually one number here for this one, so I can just start with 3. Remember, x to the 7 also means 1x to the 7, so I could just say 1 times 3 is 3 as well. Add the exponents together, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Now, when we come to dividing, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the exponents. So 12 take away 2 is 10. What I'm trying to get you to do here is to confuse you, is to get you to do 12 divided by 2, or x to the power of 6, which would be the incorrect answer. This one, there is no exponent, so we must know that it's 1, and as we're dividing, we subtract. So 8 take away 1 is 7. Same idea if we have numbers. We can do the numbers division and then do the exponent division. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and x to the 9 divided by x to the 3, 9 take away 3 is 6, so it's just going to be x to the power of 6. For our last one, 6 divided by 3 is 2. We've got x's here, 4 take away 4 is 0, and one of the key rules is x to the power of 0 is just 1, so 2 times 1 is just 2, and that's your answer. What is sometimes easy to do is actually write this as a fraction, and if we have the same thing on top and bottom, it just cancels like that, so we could just say 6 divided by 3 is 2 as well. So that's the answer to the warm-up that we did.